Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one we have amazing beautiful project. I'm going to show you a beautiful apartment with sea view 3+1 which has 200 square meters gross area in the total, which is located in this project on behind me. Our apartment is located in this project which we call ORNA Residence. ORNA is one of the best projects of Trabzon. There are virtually anything in this project. Step by step I am going to show you everything regarding this project. Now let's start tour. Really beautiful project. Everything is looking very nice, very beautiful. Everything is looking top quality. Specs of project: it consists of 8 blocks and was built on 20,000 square meters land size in the total. There are 3 units in this project: 2+1, 3+1 and 4+1. A social facility: you have a beautiful amazing tennis court, basketball court and football court. In the morning, in the evening, you can play tennis, you can play football with your family or with your friends. At the same time, there is a beautiful outdoor swimming pool. As you can see, it's looking really very beautiful, very amazing. Sauna, gym, hammam is available inside of this beautiful project. We are located garden of the project. Everything is really beautiful. There are a lot of sitting area in this garden, basketball court area, football court area. At the same time, you have a playground, walkway is very long. At the same time, there is a beautiful beach. It's located right front of this beautiful project. You can reach easily from the project to beautiful beach. From all angles, this project is perfect. Really nice apartment, beautiful project. When you buy this property, you are not buying only apartment, you are not buying only bricks or mortars. Actually, when you buy this property, you are buying a lifestyle. Hello again, now we are located inside of the apartment. Really beautiful apartment. Everything is looking very nice, very quality. Let's begin tour. As you walk into home, there is an entree is welcoming us. Large entree, useful entree. On the right side, we have a beautiful living room. On behind me, we have a nice kitchen. In this section, you have 3 bedrooms, 2 beds and classical WC. From all angles, this apartment is really very nice. Now we are located in living room, beautiful living room. At the same time, very large. It is around 40 square meters. The parquet is very quality, high ceiling. On the right side, we are seeing wallpaper. It's looking really very nice, very beautiful. On the left side, we are seeing a beautiful big mirror. It's looking really nice. At the same time, we have a beautiful sea view from this living room. The pool is very nice. The garden view is very beautiful. Let's talk about the heating system. Our apartment has ground floor heating system. This is very advantageous. Okay, let's keep continue from the living room to kitchen. Now we are located in the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is really very beautiful, very amazing. Kitchen cabinet is looking very nice. The countertop is looking beautiful. High ceiling. You have LED lighting system in the kitchen. At the same time, you have a island style kitchen. On the island, you have a cooktop. Really very beautiful, very useful kitchen. At the same time, The ceramic is really very quality. Now we are located in the balcony. Very large, very useful. From this balcony you have beautiful panoramic sea view. This project is really perfect project. Everything is very nice. Okay, let's keep continue from the kitchen to entree. Now we are located in the entree. As you can see, the door is very quality, steel door. You have a camera code system. You can check from this device who came you from the outside. You have a cloak room right over here. From this section we are going to seeing 4 bedrooms. Let's keep continue. Now we are located in the corridor. As you can see, beautiful, everything is very nice. LED lighting system is available in the corridor. Look at this section, was designed wooden, is looking really very nice, at the same time very quality. Okay, let's begin from the bedroom. This is our bedroom, useful, large, really very nice. The suspended ceiling is looking beautiful. Right over here we have another bedroom. The bedroom is same design, everything is same. Also you have a balcony, nice balcony. The balcony was covered with glasses. The ceramic is quality. Okay, let's keep continue. Now we are located in the master room. You can see everything is beautiful. You have a wallpaper, it's looking very nice, at the same time quality. The suspended ceiling is beautiful, amazing. LED lighting system. You have a windows. From here you can look outside. Bajvar shopping mall and Novotel is within walking distance to this project. Let's keep continue. Right over here we have a bathroom, large, useful. You have shower cabin and classical WC. In this section you have big closet. You see you have a lot of storage area in this closet. Very nice, very beautiful, really. This apartment is perfect. Okay, now we are going for bathroom. Right over here we have a beautiful, amazing bathroom. I want to get an attention design of the bathroom. Is really beautiful. The ceramic is very quality. Shower cabin is perfect. The sink is nice. You have a WC. Everything is really nice in this property. Now let's talk about the project. It is very close to the airport center of the Trabzon. At the same time, within walking distance to Bajvar shopping mall, Novotel, highway, seaside. From all angles, this project is very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another new video. All the best.